Hey everyone, today we're gonna be talking about top 3 plugins that you must have in your After Effects, and the best part of these plugins is that they all are available for free and simply if you are beginner, you can use these plugins to beautify your After Effects projects. So let's get started with number 1. And here we have plugin from Video Copilot, named Saber. It is one of the most popular and handy plugin to create some wonderful light effects, and it is available for Windows and Mac platform. So let's have a look at this plugin. To show you how this plugin works, I will create a text layer and let's write hello. And align it to the center. Now create a new solid, it can be of any color, doesn't really matter. And apply Saber plugin on it. For this, go to Effects, Video Copilot, and Saber. Now go to Customize Core option, and in Core Type, select Text Layer, and now you can select your text layer to apply this effect only on your text. There are lots of presets available in this plugin. But now let's use this Tesseract option. You can control the glow intensity and adjust the glow spread to achieve the desired look. You can do lots and lots of cool stuff from this plugin. And now let's move on to our next plugin. This is also the plugin from Video Copilot, named VC Reflect. This can useful for you to create reflections, however there are lots of other way to do it, but by using this plugin, you can get your job done in smaller time. To show you the demo of this plugin, I will create background using a solid. Let's make it white for now. And drag and drop a logo. Now go to Effect Video Copilot and select VC Reflect. As you can see, it creates a reflective logo. You can also control reflection angle, reflection distance, reflection, fall off, skew, tint, opacity and anything you want. And now we will move on to our final plugin, named Animation Composer. This plugin can be more useful to the beginners of the After Effects as it have many pre-defined animations in it. You can download this plugin from the link in description. In fact, all the plugins which I have told you in this video has their own separate download link in description. Now to use this plugin, go to Windows and select Animation Composer. The windows will pop up in front of you, and from here you can get the library of different animations. There are many text animations and transitions. It also have sound effects in it, and you can use any one of them. So that is it for this video. If you want more video like this and other cool stuffs, consider subscribing my channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.